Click on the link below to get price. The Bernina Embroidery Module for B700, 735, 750, 765, 770, 780, 790, and 830 is an accessory designed to enhance the capabilities of compatible Bernina sewing machines. This module introduces a variety of embroidery functions, making it a valuable addition for those interested in exploring the art of embroidery and textile design. At its core, the Bernina Embroidery Module allows users to embroider intricate designs with relative ease. The module is specifically engineered to seamlessly integrate with the listed Bernina machine models, ensuring compatibility and operational efficiency. This integration allows for a smooth transition from regular sewing to embroidery, enabling users to incorporate decorative elements into their projects. One of the notable features of the Bernina Embroidery Module is its expansive library of designs. Users can access a wide range of embroidery patterns and motifs, which can be further customized to suit individual projects. This flexibility is complemented by the module's user-friendly interface, allowing both novice and experienced embroiderers to navigate through various settings and options with confidence. The module also supports various embroidery techniques. This includes options for free motion embroidery, which can add a personal touch to any textile project. Additionally, the module is designed to accommodate different sizes of embroidery hoops, offering versatility for various design scales. This feature allows for both small, detailed designs and larger, more intricate patterns to be executed efficiently. When it comes to usage, the installation process of the Bernina Embroidery Module is straightforward, typically involving a simple attachment to the sewing machine. Once installed, users can select embroidery patterns and customize them with ease, utilizing the machine's built-in editing tools. This includes resizing, rotating, and combining designs, which can greatly enhance the creative possibilities. In conclusion, the Bernina Embroidery Module for B700, 735, 750, 765, 770, 780, 790, and 830 serves as a comprehensive tool for anyone looking to elevate their sewing projects through the art of embroidery. With its extensive design library, user-friendly features, and compatibility with various sewing machine models, this module provides an opportunity for creative expression and skill development in embroidery. Whether you are a seasoned embroiderer or a beginner exploring this craft, the Bernina Embroidery Module can facilitate your journey into the world of embroidered textiles.